Esgur Marai Vola agus fáilte gan uais réidio Alpanach Australia a Jazz ag coig EBI yn 3.1 FM digitach EBI wordnio a srug id yn líne as misha Renich Nich Gary. Good afternoon and welcome to Scottish Radio Hour here at 5 EBI 103.1 FM or Digital EBI World. My name is Rachel Hay and a special welcome to anyone listening from further afield with our streaming service at www.5ebi.com.au. Chimadaha Shevanju. How are you today? I'm well, although busy having yma ach trang. I guess fys acafula gyfel mi ast ail yn America toe, masin, sio agaf, and leeches va America. I am still in the US. That means this is your monthly letter from America. Bishin Ali Macalen a clych bla drumming agus sé segway hashin skaskavelmi erson brian mi in behechen. That was Ali McLennan playing the Strathspey Blair Drummond. Because I want to start, as I usually do, with This Week in Animal News, and Sifa, the endangered male Rothschild giraffe, has moved house from Dublin Zoo to Blair Drummond Safari and Adventure Park. Hasifa Hannah Hiraf Rothschild glwys at fo Balaclia gu Vlad Drumming. Han Shiraf Rothschild an Connert, agus Haniel Achmuda Vila U Akel Santul. There are only 2,000 such giraffes left in the wild, making Rothschild's giraffes one of the most endangered species of giraffe. Giraffe numbers as a whole have dropped by about 30% since the 80s, with an estimated 117,000 or so left in the wild. Ha'arfyn giraffe lwydwchig trichet ciedad, ans da ha blaen a siochai, agus ha an giraffe Rothschild nas arstje na Shorsachin giraffe ella. Rothschild giraffes are taller than other giraffe populations, reaching nearly 6 meters tall. Sifa travelled by sea to Wales before travelling another 550 kilometres overland to Blair Drummond to meet his new housemates Harriet, Bella and Ruby, and to tuck into a welcoming dinner of willow. Chai Sifa har sala gu Cymru agus fa Cymru ag alpa har talwf gu vla grimming. Far a chanyeche reich an 3 giraffe a va aast awn, Harriet, Bella agus Ruby. Yiche Genia Salin as je ratchian a stoi. Hurst Susie Marshall a vi sa kerem na giraffe an an blad grimming, gevel et viren giraffe firrenach a vi awn, agus na chraid den doel gumbege cha arst. Susie Marshall, the team leader for large mammals at Blair Drummond Safari Park, said, "We are thrilled to welcome a new male into our giraffe tower. We're used to having an all-female group, so we were a bit taken aback by how tall he is. He's a good couple of feet taller than all our girls." So, welcome Sifa the giraffe to Scotland, and let's hear another tune. I couldn't find a song about giraffes specifically, but here's Joy Dunlop and friends singing An Cónechan, the fairy lullaby, which does mention quite a range of other animals.
Funky Bird.
And that was, of course, Talitha Mackenzie with Funky Bird Medley, because we have a bird news story. There's actually a lot of bird news stories, but a lot of them are related to bird flu. This is not a bird flu story. This is about my favourite sort of bird, chickens. A farm in East Lothian has applied to build an 18-metre underpass tunnel beneath the B6368, which is a high-speed rural road which separates the hen house from the field. Hadurnia tuahanech an unloting an ier, a geri tunnel a chruich forald oa san skire, gus an erringdod na kjarken dal van tai kirche ake chun an achig, agus mar sin be an tuahanas a freckert nen reelchen free range. Ve an tunnel da veta gule gelead, meta gule gerarste agus fask fichet meta geratje. This would allow the farm to meet free-range standards, which require a minimum of 40 acres or 100 40 hectares or 100 acres for poultry ranging area outside the buildings. The proposed underpass would have openings 2.5 metres wide and 1.5 metres high, but some locals, concerned about the 6-day road closure the project would require, don't think the chickens would even use it. Ha maintje an skire an biachnach chlachi na ciarcan an tunnel idiot, agus cudjach chaniela tageri gan biach an rat dúnche fat shachking gus an tunnel a chruich. Cayi ha affigarin plani a gra gumbachor gan flana a dull urged. However, planning officers are recommending that the plan be approved. So, why did the chicken cross the road? It didn't. It went through a specially constructed underpass tunnel to reach the field. And that's the end of the story. Time for another song. Here's Tide Lines, chickens wanting to cross to the far side of the road. Here is Tide Lines singing about the far side of the world.
Stories I've heard told of an unfamiliar road where an evening sun hangs gold in the skyline. In a quiet unknown town there is solace to be found in the unforsaken hours of the twilight. There's a girl and I can see her far away from this frontier. I wanna dance with the Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. On an evening in July, beneath the red Loch Arbor sky, she smiled and closed her eyes on my shoulder. Now I'm a million miles from home, from the girl I call my own, and I'm dreaming all alone just to hold her. As I look into the water, I see her standing at the altar. And I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Nail your colours to the mast in the footsteps of the past, and when you breathe your last, life's returning. For when the sun sets on the years, all the miles and all the tears, a world away from here, it's the morning. In my mind I see her smile, where the tide lines grace the isle. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world. Cause I wanna dance with a Highland girl where the skies reach out for miles. I wanna feel the breeze of the Hebrides on the far side of the world.
Hasha Vigestiach Ri Uer Radio Alpanach Australia Adjacent. And sure ek coig EBI in 93.1 FM. Nya Throik is on line. You are listening to Scottish Radio Hour here at 5 EBI 103.1 FM or digital EBI World or streaming online. Shinya Nudge a program son Nayach when Alpa agus an pobl Alpanach and Shaw and Australia Jess agus Erfiach na Ducha. This program is for those interested in Scotland and things pertaining to the Scottish diaspora here in South Australia and across the country. Agus ma hashiv tach a chud hugging nya a bhí nus bal radio a bhí sin ach jech dalet gach blian agus sera an getch post jalan a chud hugging ek Scott Radio SA ek gmail.com nya Facebook is and Daliak Acking Scottish Radio SA. If you want to help us out, you become a member for only $10 a year. So to find out more about how to do that, you should get in touch with us by email at scotradiosa@gmail.com or via our Facebook page, Scottish Radio SA. And it's about time for the What's On. Now, the What's On, as usual, is coming to you from the Scottish Associations of South Australia Datebook and Directory 2023, the SASA Datebook. And as I usually say, this comes out at the beginning of the year, so as the year progresses, some of the dates and information might change, it might be cancelled, some of the details might change. So, of course, any event that I mention, you should get in touch with the organisers if you're interested in attending. So let's get on with it. And the first event this month is this Saturday, the Royal Scottish Country Dance Society Branch Ball, which is, as I say, this Saturday, the 7th of October, 3:30 to 7:30 p.m. Not dancing the whole time, there is a break in the middle. Venue to be confirmed. So if you're involved with the Royal Scottish Country Dance Society, you probably already know the details, but nevertheless, to find out more, I would recommend checking their website, www.rscdsadelaide.org.au, or you could get in touch with the secretary, Emily Filmer, at secretary@rscdsadelaide.org.au, or by mobile at 0438 524 220. That's 0438 524 220. Sunday the 8th is the Clanmacleod pub lunch. Clanmacleod seems to have a lot of pub lunches. I feel like every month I'm mentioning a Clanmacleod pub lunch. Anyway, this particular one is, as I say, Sunday, 12 noon at the Largs Pier Hotel. RSVP to Trevor Powell, 0419 819 835. That's 0419 819 835 to RSVP to the Clanmacleod pub lunch this Sunday at the Largs Pier Hotel. Now, next Friday, that's Friday the 13th, the Munapara Caledonian Society is having their usual, I say usual for the second Friday of the month, not usual for a Friday the 13th, their usual social dance at the Grenville Hub, 6 Playford Boulevard, Elizabeth. Now, to find out more about that, because they never mention the starting time, you should get in touch with the Munapara Caledonian Society contact, Lauren Findlay, at 0413 347 076. That's 0413 347 076, or by email at tazdv and the numeral 1. That's tazdv numeral 1 at tpg.com.au to find out the starting time of the Munapara Caledonian Society's social dance Friday the 13th. But it is at the Grenville Hub, 6 Playford Boulevard, Elizabeth. Sunday the 22nd, another clan luncheon. This one combined Clan Donald, McFarlane, McNeil. And the venue is at the Fogler Furlan Centre, which is 69 Briar Road, Felix. So it's right on the parklands there. Well, I suppose to find out more about that, such as the starting time, you could contact any of those clans. So here we go. Clan Donald, Secretary Therese McCutcheon. Phone number 0413 260 802. That's 0413 260 802. Or email at Harold Jelfs. That's JELFS. Harold Jelfs at bigpond.com. Who else is involved? McFarlane. So let's see. Who's the contact for the Clan McFarlane Society? Ron Marsh. Email rjmarsh22. That's the numeral 22. rjmarsh22 at tpg.com.au. And there's no phone number given for the Clan McFarlane Society, so you will have to email, or you could contact the McNeils. Their contact is I don't know. I'm going to assume Malcolm McNeil, because the email says Malcolm J. McNeil at outlook.com, or by phone, this is a landline number, 8333 3990. That's 8333 3990 to get in touch with Clan McNeil about the combined Donald McFarlane McNeil Clan Luncheon, Sunday the 22nd of October at the Fogler Furlan Centre in Felixstowe. Also, Sunday the 22nd is the SA Pipe Band competition, and the venue is at the Harry Bowie Reserve, Salisbury. I don't know what time. It's in Salisbury, and I assume that if you're involved in some sort of competing pipe band, you will know more details, but nevertheless, you can get in touch with Pipe Bands SA at pipebandaustralia.com.au to find out more about that. That's SA at pipebandaustralia.com.au. Tuesday the 24th is, as usual, the Robert Burns Study Group, which is 7:30pm, the corner room at the Burnside Council offices, which are the corner of Portrush and Greenhill Roads, near the library. And to find out more about that, you can get in touch with John Thornton by email at johnjan4, that's JOHNJAN 4, numeral 4, at gmail.com, or by phone 0409 863 235 0409 863 235 to find out more about the monthly Robert Burns Study Group, which is 7:30pm on the third or the fourth Tuesday of the month, 7:30pm at the Burnside Council offices in the corner room. Saturday the 28th of October is the Port Adelaide Caledonian Society Halloween party at the Port Adelaide Caledonian Society Hall, 5:30pm. I don't know if you need to RSVP or if anyone can show up. So, to find out more, contact Miss Jenny Niven at jenny.niven, Niven, at hotmail.com, or by phone 0400 896 131. That's 0400 896 131 to get in touch with Miss Jenny Niven about the Port Adelaide Caledonian Society Halloween party, which is 5:30pm at the Port Adelaide Caledonian Hall, 189 Semaphore Road, Exeter. And Sunday the 29th, more piping. The note in the SASA datebook says this is most likely going to be held this year. Details still to be worked out, but it's the Glenbar Homestead Pipe Bands SA Highland Gathering. I vaguely think I might have been to that before, and it was like a mixture of a normal Highland Gathering combined with Strathalbyn history. I don't remember there being pipes there, but maybe I just was there at the wrong time. Anyway, to find out more about the Glenbar Pipe Band's Highland Gathering, contact Vicky Clark. Phone at 0411 969 679. That's 0411 969 679. Or email at toriavic. That's like Victoria, but like the wrong way round. TORIAVIC at activate.net.au, and that's activate spelt ACTIV and the numeral 8. to find out more about the Glenbar Highland Gathering. Now, Friday the 10th of November, the Monopara Caledonian Society Social Dance, Grenville Hub 6 Playford Boulevard, Elizabeth. And I've already given you the details for the Monopara Caledonian Society. They have a social dance the second Friday of the month. Every month. As you know, as I've mentioned, it's Friday the 13th this month. But that gets us through at least a month in advance, which I think is enough from the What's On. So, let's hear from the banner.
The What's On is brought to you by our sponsors, the Scottish Banner newspaper. The Scottish Banner is Australia's national Scottish newspaper, available each month with news from Scotland and the Australian Scottish community. Get your copy at newsagents or by subscribing at www.scottishbanner.com. For a good Scottish read, get the Banner.
And Scottish Radio are looking for more sponsors. So if you own a small business and would be interested in supporting our program, please get in touch with us. You can have a small sponsorship announcement on the radio, like the one you've just heard, and reach a wider audience in the Scottish community and beyond. As you probably know, a lot of people listen to 5ABI, not just Scottish people. So get in touch with us at Scottish Radio and chat to our secretary by email at scotradiosa@gmail.com if you're interested in sponsoring Scottish Radio.
Special in your
fiaw An scot an olai chaisian iawn Lene ffom tan y ffom Mar am y tan ag jedig stran George ti galan am chiaw Fi hyd blianes an ffiri Beter ja fes, beter na wal Fi hyd blian ti blian Cwg a biatri ffal a bwynio as moon Hörni tjeje sör med länge Hon mi art in the solen Vatte den barnet min brast Kursana hum at jacht I vöj Ishi min pat hjälta Vad ser I klanen gälsvös Vacation skiruk is gröj Vilket blir det som firin Beter jag fes, beter jag var Vilket blir en tjevjäke Rugg att jag blir ett fall av ögon
Samarúta chunig mí am lágus tú malín. Unig mí imrahan na clonegus na carstine bheith an gud a níoch agus a benne bhla. Fir post a county in dúf can cumas lá cuidig na hor skype. Unig mí na fir mór a láti. Carnig an dúil can gealith cílach post agus can dílicalas na London na drau. Galabadúla go stratin Glasgow agus go fásic in Canada a chutú nach na basi cléachtas agus le glái a chul múl a chuin. Ec dyn yn dŵl, ywys ec sy'n y fain a ffys yr oper gran al gynnu yn mlaen.
Fi hyd blian, smian yn mlaen. Fi hyd blian, smian yn mlaen. Fi hyd blian, smian yn mlaen. Fi hyd blian,
Now, that was, of course, Runrig singing Fichet Bliana, or 20 years. How about a bit more than 20 years? How about 50 years? Y sin Runrig a sin Fichet Bliana. Ach, halech hi at Bliana ga coarachach, vachai Sol mor Osteg esteachach. Last month marked 50 years since Sol mor Osteg, Gallican campus of the University of the Highlands and Islands, was founded in 1973. The slate-based campus on the Isle of Skye has brought many students to fluency, as well as granting many undergraduate and postgraduate degrees through the medium of Gaelic. Vachai estecha iawn y 1933 ha a cholistja aan een sleetje is moren aljenetje horske filiantas, Gaelic a hulig testjenissen keme agus keme a horske rinje trovean a chanain. Eid of liana anuri va an arf a barsje riaf jegaljenich gilnsachig leis a cholistja le mele shekeerd Niach a gafel pars an Corsican gach cwj warach na cholistja hain agus waine et a Corsican pars junior one unia agus Corsican garech. Last year, the college had a record number of students, with 1,600 people taking part in courses, both on campus and online, part-time, full-time and short courses. Since its founding, more than 4,000 students have learnt Gaelic through the online beginners course and Cursa Intrigi, and 1,400 have graduated from the full-time degree courses. Currently, the college has students from more than 25 countries, as well as from Scotland itself. Ha thuga seo cur ceir míle olanach Gaelic dhéansaigh tron cuasa Láine aiche an Cursa Intrigi agus cuideach chafór 1,400 duine céimneach fa háisich na Cursachan one uine. Bí a cholaiste a talig olaneach a tulig is coig dúchan an haar ichat a bharach alpa hain rein mi hín cursa clas a bhan tro solma orsteg ma parsin I grí agam zan in Australia agus mar sin ha Australia parsin coig dúchan an haar ichat et Cí le bhí a cóirechag coigadamh ceann bliana hán mór ósteig, hí sin páilteas fianis oppid a hasin dhéanamh, agus an dealas a haging son canan is cultúr na Gaeilge, thuirst an cathracha anuas mac leáid. By celebrating the 50th anniversary of Salma Osteg, we see plenty of evidence of the work we have done and our commitment to the Gaelic language and culture, said the chairman, Angus MacLeod. We look forward to the next 50 years as we lead the campaign to offer people more learning, research and cultural opportunities. Hasina koya teresh drishin da ichet bliana sajech, nurishin le hier bliana, agus shin kiaun nehemersht, gus tullig choraman gaf maleshkel, jonsachi, raunsachi, es kulturach harakshin, da gynja var shin. Amson pís ceol ella agus seo Nightworks ach ha seo atíing as an ad a ha an duliach YouTube ag Salma Osteg agus ha gra hegah beo so like agus ha pís an féistrach mi an Salma Osteg outnach ha an ceol hain and Nightworks. So it's time for another piece of music, and this I went to the Salma Osteg YouTube page, and there's a come and study at Salma Osteg ad at the top, which information scrolls across the screen about the college, but the music itself that you're about to hear is from the group called Nightworks. Russian Shy. Now, at the moment we're listening to A Chan of Blue Istag of Faun, which is a Cape Breton Gaelic song that I played last month. But one of the listeners got in touch with me and said, I'm sure I know this tune with words in English, which is common for folk songs to swap tunes all over the place. You get the same tune popping up in lots and lots of different folk songs. But I personally didn't know a song with this tune in English. So with the help of Twitter, I managed to track it down. It's Barbara Allen, and we'll listen to it in a moment, sung by Dolly Parton of all people. But this is about all we have time for today here at Scottish Radio Hour, so mar sin sinné bhuam sa aníis bha Radio Alpanach Australia Jazz ag coig EBI in 92.1 FM. Cheery and drast aníis. Ach na fallabh bí uis Radio Eranach ann ag le uis, agus bí Radio Celtach ann de Saharnia, agus bí Síne Radio Alpanach ann a riast Jibast Shot Chiang. So although this is the end of Scottish Radio Hour, don't go anywhere. We're back every week at the same time. There's Celtic Radio Hour on Saturdays, and of course you don't need to go anywhere now because our friends at Irish Radio Hour coming up at 1:30. So until then, I'll leave you with Dolly Parton singing Barbara Allen.